Hello everyone, I hope you guys have amazing day. Today we are here on one of the apple farm in California. It's a very big farm and there's a lot of people come to pick up the apple, and there's an amazing place for pick up apple. And today we're going to the farm and pick up apple. So please stay with us to end of this video. Thumbs up and subscribe and share with your family, friend. And the requirement I should to wear the mask and go to start picking apple. So now the time we go inside the farm. Tell me about this farm.
Okay.
It's a very big farm.
This is Gears Ditch Ranch.
Okay.
Been here since 1937.
1937, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
The fourth generation, and we make pies,
Okay.
we grow apples, and we grow berries.
Uncle, come here.
Theo,
Okay. Okay,
You
tell
know.
me.
and this is the guy that runs it all.
Okay. He's the big boss.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Good man.
Awesome. Okay, tell me about this farm
Dile el rancho en español.
in Espanol.
Gris, ¿no?
Ajá.
Vicente Gris.
Vicente Gris.
Vicente Gris.
Okay.
¿Y qué hacemos aquí?
Hacemos de todos los trabajos que tenemos aquí con el patrón. Rastreamos, apodamos, desahijamos. Hacemos de todo lo que nos ordenan aquí.
Okay. How many trees in this farm?
70 acres.
70 acres.
70 acres of apples.
Apples.
Yeah.
How about the raspberry?
Raspberry, I'm not sure. I think it's 20.
20 acres?
Yeah.
Wow. 20 acres, 70 acres. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Agustín Olivares,
Usted, ¿qué trabajo?
mucho trabajo.
Okay. Sí, sí. Gracias. Muchas
you.
gracias. You're gonna see your video in YouTube channel, Coffee with Ali.
Coffee with Ali.
Coffee
Okay.
with Ali,
No lo
YouTube
vayas a
channel.
subir, dile que no, estamos todos, mira, todos salimos.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. You're gonna see your video in
Okay, I'll look for it.
YouTube channel, Coffee with
Okay.
Ali.
Coffee with Ali.
Yeah.
All right, thank
Thank
you.
you. Take care. Bye.
You too. Have a good day.
You guys enjoy the apple farm video, and don't forget subscribe our channel and thumbs up, click the bottom icon and share in social media with friends and family. And this is what this farm was very big, and there's a lot of different apple, and apple was really good. Have a great time, take care, bye.